How to live stream on YouTube with auto captions. Hey everyone, I'm Paulo Cesar, a support expert at JMV Technology. Today I'll show you how to set up a YouTube live stream with auto captions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to catch our weekly tips. Did you know auto captions greatly boost your live stream's accessibility? They make content more inclusive, help the hearing impaired, and improve comprehension in noisy settings. Plus, captions boost engagement by attracting a more diverse audience to your streams. First, check out our earlier tutorial on downloading and setting up the auto caption plugin for OBS Studio. It's crucial to have it installed and configured on your system before we begin. The link's in the description and on the card above. Now let's head to YouTube Studio to schedule a live stream. Here we'll enter our stream's title and below that a description. Continue with YouTube's details and customization settings. Click OK. Great, your YouTube live stream is now scheduled. Next, disable auto start. For auto captions, we'll leave it enabled. Select the caption source as embedded 608, 708. Then choose your desired language. Now copy the RTMP link and stream key for JMV Technology. Access hub.jmetechnology.com and your live streaming app. In Live Social, go to Custom to paste YouTube data. Restream to YouTube with auto captions. Paste the RTMP link here, then the stream key. Click Save. Now I'll start streaming from OBS Studio, which is already linked to this JMV Technology app. My stream's reaching the hub, so I'll just activate YouTube retransmission. Ensure the caption source is embedded 608, 708. Great, the retransmission signal has arrived. Now I can click Go Live to start streaming on YouTube too. Starting the broadcast. Let's access it here. And there we go. We're live on YouTube. Now we can toggle automatic captions on or off. This YouTube player caption is great if you don't want on-screen text as shown before. Another plus, viewers can easily turn captions on or off if they prefer. Want to boost your broadcast? Check out JMV Technology's live streaming plan. It allows you to simulcast your live stream to multiple social networks at once. You saw YouTube rebroadcasting in this video as an example, but you can use it simultaneously on Facebook, Instagram, and other social networks that support RTMP. Just click the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen for more info. If you're enjoying this live streaming content and want to enhance your broadcasts even more and make them increasingly professional, check out the link to educating.com in the description for our complete live streaming course covering lighting, mic techniques, and much more. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who want to improve their live streams. Subscribe to the channel for weekly tips and content, and stay tuned for the next tutorial. Take care.